Mame Mao Akwaba emfa umbra Ghana nsem TVGH so. Wofre me adwoa searching. Ebusuafo mestre say obe subscribe to our channel. Me notification bell no so for news e de betum bia se na be ya obi na bi ahwe. Ebusuafo Ghana fo de hye na omo eka say. Omo e kire say Ghana your mind bi anka by this time SSA eye agric minister Eric Opoku na ne deputy. Senso se ne vice nso a John Dumelo abrant no trust no ka by this somewhere omo resign wo Ghana ha no anenti na Ghana for eka say
Ghana pa de unua we are me bekan NDC fo bedidi matem hwe se ya pagya oman ni sika wo 245 million Ghana cedis munim se sika no 245 million Ghana cedis o yeshegu Ghana must go mo e betuma nyamakoma ko be 100 se ye de koye enkokon kitenkete na adia eyema ya eyema reho ne se endra ye frame minister no by parliament ye frame bibi assurance committee see ye busa no see project na kwoti san ya o see project no omom cheche enkokon ne mom no omakum kokon nawe hey chese wakano ro adichin wote ho or Resign ye nenka ye oman bi anka by this time Eric Opoku ne deputy John Dumelo kase se o ma resign sisi ye nkomu gina court 245 million Ghana cedis no omakoto egbolem omoka kire se enkokọ no moa yi omomde mo no omoksa NDC for them kwachiche ma omu na wo busa se enkokọ na omo se enkokọ nkitinkiti sika na omebu ho akonta omo se omomcheche ma omo no se omawe enkokọ no onyame hu omawe mobo
na no Parliament House Eric Opoku etia ye comfortable agigi adakondwem ka kire Ghana for say yen Ghana de hye sika yen tax sika yen gold sika yen diamond sika timber sika na etese nka omudi bi bo man no ho bra na NPP bo mo be free SHS na Ghana ni bia e de hye so fa so no NDC buy no what's one da wo benye mmoa he says John Dramani Mahama ne penso abro ye president or this Ghana sika koton confirm ne to ko Burkina ye hu confirm no be de ko dui wasan so aba ne second term wasan so aba second term asan so e de Ghana sika akonye nkokọ e de $21 million akoton kokọ se NDC youth nje enye nkokọ na ebusuafo Eric Opoku atumi abeka kire Ghana for se nkokọ no omo de mo omo no omo anye nkokọ na enyi omo antukosua entumi antonkosua no John Dumelo onya nkokọ wo nye nti Ghana fo bebre na ye kasenka ECG kra ye farmer private company na omo enye because ka ye better Ghana fo bebre e kire se nde senka wo to aba se ye fa ban oman ni ma abrofo na mo bedi Ghana so aka kire se ka youth ni na ye beto an won fa oman Ghana e ma abrofo na won di so na de ode ye bebi won fa ye nye John Dumelo wo ye friend say farmer unya nneema bebre wo nkokọ wo factory John sika he na wo start wo factory no nti wo ye deputy your friend say agric minister wo betimi the wadwen so aboa eni nti me John Dumelo me sure say agriculture na wo ye no che say farming na wo ye nti e na omodo ye deputy minister wo ye deputy minister wo poultry farm kesi a che say wo tonkosua nya asenketo a na se wo de Ghana sika hyemo nsa se mo fa nye nkokọ a omo so mo ekokọ nawe John Dumelo ede na otimi ye fa ho as a farmer ede na otimi ye fa ho de boa wo minister no eye Eric Opoku but eye wankasa wo de hwe bia wo poultry farm no akwakodu na wo de Ghana sika mamonde a sika no wo edi sika no nti nkokọ ahe na mo de ma mo youth na omo nyenye nkokọ ahe na mo de ma omo nyenye omo etimi awe nkokọ na awe within 2 years within one and a half years se munya 2 years omo etimi anya nkokọ no etimi eku omo are kokọ no anansi story se mu aka kire na mo ye comfortable at the Parliament House na me hwe yi na oman na yakopon de ahyemo nsa na mo ye yensa no ohwemo a me no ka se nurses teachers egufie Omo call recruitment no mo fra no call no friend say security personnel no omo call so omo inform no omo so koya adwuma ntimi mfa bi ehwe mo parents na dem mo se mo friend ya HIV se omo ina mo asaka mo abegufie sa 21 million US dollars anka mo de fa youth mo de to hospital beds egu hospitals na beds ye enough mo de bi hospitals aban dada na ejai and a hospitals here enough and modify nurses and teachers are. I believe say for so be baba so since I go kete policy a mu youth na kokwan rio. God is watching all of us. Say NP Ghana from peniful politicians both NPP na NDC or mine na mudi obra na mudi yen bono anamo na mudi yen na me so no say ye mamo a mo nye say e beto aba mamo na mo aba bedi akonwa waba bedi oman so wo de ya fast stressing na youth ni na ya depressed e wo man mu say youth bi organ na ha bia depressed because yentimi hard dan na wotumi ko hard dan so a water bill ntumi ntua na light kwa de ne kankan kra aden oman kitikisi se Ghana aden omo ekugo konare Eric Opoku said 21 million US dollars na Ghana yen sika omo de akoton kokon ketua e de amomu youth ni so omo enye omo no ekokon ketua na omo nye omo no e ko 2 years ni omo enyi che say omo hu the reason why nti omo nye nkokon no nti no omo feel say John Dramani Mahama so omo wen nkokon no nti omo anye nkokon no omo de 21 million US dollars anye nkokon no ahwe omo enyi no omo ahwe omo comfortably sitting in Parliament House telling Ghanaians Nena Ghana youth say where your man be a by this time come on resign. Hey, his essence John Dramani Mahama. Mana. Hey. 21 million US dollars in Koko. Omare on Koko no.
Almost stories beyond person bia against John Mahama and NDC biano. But Edru say Sabita Frache. Yeah, unim say Accra FM class media. I contact marketing for contacting some companies, buying institutions, government institutions are almost to meet your advert, ma Accra FM, ma obia. Yes. Okay, so this is my news gh.com. John Mahama is the kingpin of corruption. Kofi Tonto hits back. 13th September 2024. Yes. In the heat of a campaign. No? So this is the platform. John Mahama is the kingpin of corruption. Okay. July 1st, 2026. Where the Kofi Tonto Baumia spokesperson. Where ye 1st July last week okay. Mahama begged for votes on the street but flew over flood victims. Awa Muhammad, another Baumia, a boy. Right? Okay. June 8th, 2026. Mahama is a weak leader. Miracles Abuaji Fumes. Wait, because of my time, me and Sapena, my phone. And we are say even the articles that Yenya Steven Zori no said that Trafa John Mahama. Accra FM enko government institution bia momo emma advert da Accra FM ne class FM report Accra FM reporters kra no omo mpese obeben baby omo yeah NDC appointees mpese obeben baby omo kra me nya reporter me member o me hwe. To be honest with you, NDC in office Senye Sami Jemfia Kando are like my main friends. They are my friends, my personal friends. Even Chief of Staff for Yemi Papa Krano, the office me once. once in my lifetime. Once. Me she because me mama I am she into me she. Sami Jamfi, I have that. Your friend is a me lawyer, Eduji any day, any time. We talk on phone. Eduji office once, but on phone every day, constantly. Meaning me and the dim come say obini nebusu ya penny no. Every day we are talking. Ye di bibi on come food, everything. yeah. Come on, Eduji come there always. There's nowhere Eduji be who me call. You know, you will not get back to me. But me reporters are framing that. And maybe there was a program at presidency. It took me more than 1 hour to get my reporters in. Yes, Oma for Crofway ni Oma Namfuya and my reporters na kechri. Ufrewe ya. Oh, sir, mehe. Tell ya who cry all more time. Presidency, yeah. So, but that is okay. Yeah, that is okay. Inti, why yes or yes stories for your mama one near Fred say, Kopepa at a channel ya to about your mama no. Nadia or no, stories no. If a contractor near their man. $400,000 Ghana. Scabadenyesko. No. Mimi nibi. But 400,000 Ghana. Enyeska me. Indinyasa mepe. Mempe. 400,000 Ghana. Minibi. Meti we are saying minimum say minibi. But sabe men kwasre 400,000 Ghana. Minibi. But men ko nantin kwasre. Enti here no mopa monsa nyanka ho. But the fact of the matter is that people say come now, are you sure the audit report is not expenditures for the year 2024? Your 2026 was it 2025 was it 2024? Meaning when you 2024 the about 2025 2025 the about 2026. This is simple. I mean they say we here obia obe and what so say from March 2025 to December 2025. Somebody called me from NLA this morning that the guy no ye NLA a CEO ni kromuni. I don't know. But enya bone say media platform bia under government. I think it's good. Even if a platform here anti NDC crown or also here scared to build himself up. But you see yeah, now so Uncroft when Uncroft bua no akai wo mo obeka so me di 4 years I continue the BNC well say udi wi a unya nwuyo ya no nyina na te Ghana nti udi wi a